This workshop is our 2D CNC Wire Bending Machine and the 2D CNC Wire Bending plus Butt Welding Machine workshop. These are a resistance butt welding, also called pneumatic butt welding. This type is MFDC butt welding. This is one-time motorized decoiler. This is a flat wire. Make the square frame. The PLC controller. This is a 200 kilograms mechanical type decoiler. So this is one row. There are two other rows machines under assembling and trial plan for shipment out. These are only bending, and this tailor-made servo motor here for hole punching or for round edge cutting. Now 2D CNC wire bending machine, 4 servo motors, wire bending, wire feeding, wire cutting, and this inner mode up and down, also by servo motor, before by air.